Hello, it's Signe from Clever Girl Beauty Tips. Thanks for listening in. I'm going to speak today about a natural skincare technique that you might not know about. We're going to do Gua Sha for the face. Gua Sha is an ancient Chinese technique, a natural technique that's used for blood flow circulation and usually used by an acupuncturist, a naturopath. It's really a wonderful technique, so we're going to talk about how to use it for the face. The Gua Sha tool for the face looks like this. It's made out of jade. It's lovely, nice and cool. It fits the contours of the face, as you can see, the cheek and the jawline. You may have heard certainly or seen the jade roller around. This is a great tool too. Wonderful on the skin, gives nice massage just like Gua Sha does. Now, Gua Sha, though, I believe, is taking it to the next level. It really can help the circulation even more, can really get into those deep wrinkle lines. So we're going to talk about how to use Gua Sha on the face. So to begin, one of the benefits is lymph node drainage. It's one of the benefits. So you want to begin always on the neckline area, bring down to drainage for the lymph nodes. You want to bring it down into your chest area, right? So that's where to begin every time with the Gua Sha tool. Use gentle strokes. In Gua Sha, sometimes it's a short stroke, sometimes it's a long stroke, and you kind of have to get the feel for how you like it. You don't want to do it too deep, certainly, because you don't want to damage the skin, but good enough to to get things moving there. So now we've done some lymph node drainage, which is a benefit of doing Gua Sha on the face. And now we'll move on to the neck line, the jawline, rather. See how it's shaped perfectly to fit along the jawline. So bring the tool backwards, bring it up, bring it down again. Keep draining those lymph nodes, bring it up, down, maybe 5 or 10 times on each side. Another benefit is that it's very relaxing. You have pressure points on your face just like in your feet or your hands, like when you get reflexology done. The Gua Sha on the face and the reflexology, not reflexology, the pressure points get released and it feels very relaxing. I keep one of these tools at my desk. I don't wear makeup during the day, and I can kind of work the tool gently and get a nice, refreshing, relaxing face massage. So as we move up, you can go on the lip area, kind of maybe do some gentle little strokes. Again, circulation. You can work out some of those wrinkles on the lip line area without being too harsh, certainly with it. Little section right under here. Get those lines, get those muscles moving. And the cheek, again, bring it back and bring it down. Lymph node drainage, back and down. Gua Sha is really fantastic for sinus draining too, right? So you can kind of work those sinuses if you have a cold. You can move that around. It feels really good. Be careful certainly of the eye area. It's so much more gentle in here. But little short strokes can help. Circulation, get those muscles released around those wrinkles. Bring it up to the eyebrow area, both sides. You get the idea. It's not real complicated, but it feels so good and so fun. I'm 50 years old, and I have certainly seen a difference that Gua Sha has made on some of those deep wrinkles that have been in my forehead area and between the eyebrows, right? Some gals get it real deep in here. It's great for relieving that muscle so you can relieve the tension. So Gua Sha improves the circulation, helps with sinus drainage, lymph node drainage, wrinkle release, relaxation. Really wonderful. Some of my gals just buy it just to use on these muscles right here in the neck. Feels so good, right? Can get really deep in there with that tool. Give yourself a nice neck massage. So that is Gua Sha. I suggest this one, it's under $20, and there's a link to how to get it. It comes in this cute little sweet box to store it in, and it's made of jade. You don't want to go with anything that's just glass. So look for the jade one. It's nice and cooling. It's a Gua Sha tool, and I hope you learned something today. My website is clevergirlbeautytips.com. So connect with me on the blog, on the website, on social media, and I'll give you some more tips on how to look and feel great. Thank you for listening in, and have a fantastic day.